Hey guys, so this is going to be my first testing video of 2024. So this is the 42-inch Hunter Summer Breeze ceiling fan. I got that on New Year's Eve from one of my family members' boyfriend's parents. They were getting rid of this fan, so they my aunt's boyfriend brought it home to their apartment, and then they came over here to this house and they gave it to me. So yeah, this fan wobbles a lot on high, but it wobbles a little bit on medium, but low speed doesn't wobble at all. But it goes very fast on high. Fix my tripod. There we go. This fan spins, I don't know how many RPMs it spins, probably like, 100 RPMs maybe, or maybe 500 RPMs, I don't know. Please tell me in the comments how many RPMs this fan is, if you guys know. Alright, let's start the demonstration. Here's a light. Here's low. Speed up. The wobbling. It's starting to wobble. Actually, I think this wobbles worse now on medium. Not too worried about the wobble. It's not too worried about the wobbling. Here's high. Here, I'll turn the portable fans off so you can hear it. Yeah, I'll turn off the lights too. It's on a wall outlet switch. This thing makes a lot of wind noise. Alright, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy.